Let's see some navigation shortcut keys. Arrow keys. Move to different directions. Tab. Move to the next cell. Shift tab. Move to the previous cell. Now let me add an extra column with some values so you can better see how the next shortcuts work. Ctrl arrow keys. Move to the edge of the current data region. Ctrl Home. Move to the beginning of a worksheet, essentially to cell A1. Ctrl End. Move to the last cell on a worksheet, to the lowest used row of the rightmost used column. If I enter data into this cell, Ctrl End will make this one active. Even if I delete its content, it will remain a used cell. Page down. Move one screen down in the worksheet. Page up. Move one screen up in the worksheet. Alt page down. Move one screen to the right in the worksheet. Alt page up. Move one screen to the left in a worksheet. Ctrl page up. Previous worksheet. Ctrl page down. Next worksheet. Alt. Show ribbon access keys. In case of ribbon access keys, you hit keys one after the other. You don't hold down any of them. Ribbon access keys are exceptions from this point of view. I can hit Alt, H, A, C to center align the selection. Ctrl G. Go to dialog. I type in C1, hit OK. And the active cell will be C1. Ctrl F. Find and replace dialog. Shift F4. After find the next match. Ctrl Shift F4. After find the previous match. Now I insert an icon I insert a shape. And I insert a chart. Ctrl F10. Show Hide Selection Pane. You can select your objects here. This selection pane is useful when you have many objects or some of them overlap each other. Let me delete these objects. I hold down Shift and select them one by one. And I hit Delete. Alright, in the next lecture we are going to discover data entry with shortcut keys. See you in the next video.